Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Emily and Jake. Enjoy. Okay, today we're gonna be making pancakes because I want breakfast and
we have a very wide selection of pancakes this morning. We have
two.
This, whatever that is, what is it? Cracker Barrel. Yes, queen, that queen right there. We also have, we got some Aunt Jemima, but you know, she ain't my mama.
We're not in the mood for that. Okay.
2 cups mix.
Where do you see this?
Right there, sweetie. Yeah, babe.
Wait, what?
I know you know how to read.
Oh my god, that says 2 cups mix. Do you remember when I was...
Oh, she thought it said milk.
Do you remember when I was like, this is so dumb because it says 2 cups... Look at it. It says 2 cups mix, 1 cup milk. I thought it said 2 cups milk, 1 cup milk, and I was like, why didn't you just put 3? All right, so I just had a moment. Let's not talk about it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, don't spill it.
It's aesthetic.
It's so aesthetic.
Oh, okay. Well. Oh yeah, shake it up.
It's not quite 2 cups, but
well, we're gonna get it quite. 1 cup milk.
Oh.
Milk.
Looks like an open thing.
What kind is it?
That's the buttermilk one.
That's pretty. 1 egg.
Oh, I just spilled it.
And you talk about me.
I am awful.
Ooh, who's impressed with that?
Pretty impressed. Mine's not gonna look like that. Y'all ready for this? Oh, that was not as clean as I was hoping. Might have got some shells in there, but it's okay. Because, you know, I like a good crunch once in a while, you know what I'm saying?
I lost her.
See, I'm so good at singing that they're gonna actually mistake me for him, you know what I'm saying? Mine's better.
Let's get cooking.
Yeah, we have to take a short intermission.
We're gonna take a short intermission. Now we have a bunch of cameras set up so I can get those good angles.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Maybe that's just me, not sure.
Hey, can I have, where'd you get one of those thingies at?
Over there.
Oh boy.
I'm trying to save this thing.
I feel like that, what's that song guy? Love me better when I'm with you. Do 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 do. To be young and in love in New York City. To not know who I am. You're here with me. To be young and in love in New York City.
It's not ready yet. One time, okay, I had this great big old pancake. It was literally like humongous. It was the size, it was like this size. It was the size of the pan. And I was so excited about the thing. Threw it in there, it was gonna be my dinner. And I turned it on like high. And I was like, why did I do that? Because I went to flip it and it was completely burnt. I've never been so sad in my entire life.
I'm so sorry. Come here. Okay. It's gonna be okay. I love waffles and pancakes.
He was ready before
First flip. I'm about to put some butter on mine.
Bobby, those are not done. Are you kidding?
I'm about to put some butter on it. It needs
Bobby!
butter. It needs butter.
Are you kidding?
You'll see.
That is not even close to done.
You'll see. Keep doubting me again. This is me.
This is real. This is me. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Gonna let the light shine on.
Yeah, I think it could.
Oh crap,
First,
oh crap.
Oh,
Let's go into the other ones. Oh crap.
Oh.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's
oh,
okay.
Queen.
It's okay.
It'll be okay.
It's fine.
We got it, right?
It's fine. It was just a little bit into the other ones, but you know, we still love her. It's
I'm
fine.
gonna have some moist pancakes over here.
Yours literally looks like chocolate chip cookies.
Yes. Yes.
Not necessarily a compliment. I can't. I'm really struggling. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
Guys, I promise you, she's not this bad at cooking.
I'm not bad at cooking
She's
at
really
all.
good at cooking.
Pancakes are just a little stressful for me. Not gonna lie. Yours
Yours
literally looks like a chocolate chip cookie.
I know, right?
That's not a compliment.
Wow.
It's a pancake.
It's supposed to
not
be.
a cookie.
Fat boy, Louis.
Hi, Louie. Aw.
Louis is our big fat boy.
We're making pancakes, buddy. Hi.
He's the biggest fat boy.
I love him. Come here, Louie.
Friend. Oh, Louis is, look at his face.
What? Is he excited?
He's like, what is this? Can I have one?
You don't like pancakes.
You don't know what I like.
Oh!
Okay.
Okay.
Queen.
Huh?
Alright, we see you, dog.
Alright. 3 for 3. Oh!
Oh, look at you, honey. Yes, aesthetic
You know,
queen.
like the dance.
Oh God, what are you doing?
You know what I'm talking about?
The cooking
Like in the kitchen.
Oh no, guys, somebody.
Okay, Emily, look up the dance and then put it side by side because I guarantee it looks the same.
Yeah, I tried. I couldn't find it, and I don't think I was doing it right. So let's just ignore that. Let's not talk about that ever again.
Whipping it up in the kitchen.
Hey babe, it's not unusual to be loved by anyone.
It's not unusual
To be loved by anyone.
I hate those. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We're gonna go eat our pancakes now. Make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification.
Yeah, like her face.
That way you know when I post a video because I know you were just dying to know.
Check out our couples channel.
Check out our couples channel. Also check out Jake's channel.
Even though I haven't uploaded in years.
You know what? It's fine. If you subscribe to him, maybe he will.
Yeah.
I've been trying to motivate him. Bye. Let's eat, boy.
Girl, bye.